I want to explain to you the rule, no? Jaja is now a Japanese citizen, I heard, no? Okay, she's married, no? But there was a new rule last year by FIVB that if you played in a national team of another country, you cannot transfer federation anymore. Yes, I explained that to Jun Weebao in Paris or sa Bangkok. In-explain ko sa yung rule na yun. He was explained by FIVB president. So, even if Jaja has two passports, I'm sure, no? He has a Philippine passport and he has a Japanese passport. The federation of origin is still Philippines. So, when you change federation, one time lang yan. Once nag-change ng federation, hindi ka pwede bumalik sa old federation mo. So, what happened now is that I don't know if you remember Kalimao. Okay, Kalimao. F2 ata, no? So she changed federation. She has an American passport, a dual passport. Then she changed federation one time. So right now, the federation of origin of Kalimao is Philippines, but her passport is Philippines and USA. So he cannot change federation anymore. Philippines now. So every time she plays abroad, she has to ask permission from the Philippine Federation. So with Jaja now, just to make it clear, because I told Jaja that I supported her sa FIVB because of this new rule. Ang problema, Jaja already played sa national team sa Philippines 3 or 4 times already. So with the new rule last year, she can never play with Japan. So she can still play with Philippines. Pwede ba siya? Because his federation of origin is Philippines. Well, hindi passport ang binabasiya dito. Federation of origin. So Jaja is still Filipino by nature to play for the national team. Kung hindi siya nag-national team, pwede ma-transfer.